Inkonzo ichazwe njengesibuko esiveza bha uTutu njengomuntu wayengumAfrika ngokuphelele nangokuzinikela kwakhe ngokuhlala eshumayela ivangeli lokuthula noxolo emhlabeni jikelele.
The Archbishop kind of was a true north of what is beautiful about us as African people, how we belong to each other, how we belong to the land. And we wanted to celebrate him in a way that it's not a strong focus on him as a person, but what he engendered in us, you know, a love of music. I think he's probably the first archbishop that danced in the cathedral, that laughed at his own jokes in the pulpit.
Nabo enkolo yobuSulumane neyamaJuda nabo bebeyingxenye yalombungazo wenkonzo yokuhlonishwa komlando kaTutu obenconyo kakhulu njengomuntu owasebenzisa ukholo lwakhe ekukhandeni uxolo waphinde wakwazi nokuhlanganisa izizwe elokhu egxile njalo kwezenkolo.
The message the Arch shared with everyone transcends all faiths. I mean, to speak from personal experience, 12 years ago, I was driving down the road and I saw the Arch picking up litter on the side of the road. And I stopped and I got out the car to help him. And to this day, whenever I see litter, I think about that day.
Ibandla le-St. George's Cathedral lifuna ukuthi umlando nemisebenzi kaTutu kuhlale njalo ukuqhakanjiswa esikhathini lapho izwe lisalwa khona nezimo zokulingana kanye nezobulungiswa.